Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to fix if you have HDMI issues on your PS5 console. This is a launch editions. Example, I'm going to just start this PS. Just I started this PS5. Okay, you can see this blue light here. But there is no output on this monitor. Already I have connected this HDMI cable, but still it is not working. Before we go to this technical support, we can easily fix that. I think most of these launch editions will have this HDMI issues. So what you need to do is on your monitor, right, first verify whether it is turned on. So I'm going to turn it on. So no signal detected, okay. So there is no signal detected still, but my PS5 console is already turned on. The PS5 is not providing the proper signal, so it got automatically turned off. So already I have properly inserted this HDMI cable and even right in the PS5 console. So it might be loose connections on HDMI cable, but we can easily fix that, okay. This is a troubleshooting method. So if we are not getting the proper signal, right, so on this HDMI cable, right, just insert and just slightly shake it, okay, and insert it, okay. I think I'm getting signal. And PS5, see, it's fixed. So no signal detected, okay. When I connected first time, it was not working. I am not sure why this is happening. I don't know what is happening inside because I am not the right technical person. But when I accidentally tried, right, just shaking this HDMI cable, it was working fine. Most of the people are having the same issues with their PS5 launch editions. So I don't know about the PS5 Slim, but this is the easy fix, okay. So example, even if I did shut down, I'm going to restart. I think when I restart it will work properly, but when it is turned off, right, when the HDMI is not providing the proper signal. So now I am removing it, okay. Again I'm going to insert it. We need to verify whether we have inserted properly. I have inserted. Now I'm going to start this console. I got the beep sound. See, no signal detected. So when I restart, when I turned off also, I got the message no signal detected. So what I'm going to do is simply now check this HDMI output. So just shake it, okay, and also check the screen. It will be working fine. See, I got the signal. So I'm just shaking slightly. It's working fine. Now I got the signal. So that's it, friends. This is the way you can fix the issue on your PS5 before you reach the technical support. Still, if it is not working, of course, we have to reach technical support to fix that if any hardware issues. But we can do the first aid to our PS5 in this case. So that's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedbacks in media forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.